With 7,200 rock picker that we have, very well built. I mean, Degelmans have been building rock pickers since rock pickers were invented, and they've just kept continually modified their design to take out eliminate any problems that there were. I don't think you can improve on something that's close to perfection.
Oh yeah, that's the toughest rock picker out in the market right now. We've got two already now for the last 20 years. Actually, we got pretty well the first one that Degelman ever built. The most important thing of a rock picker is the stability and how strong it's built. Because a rock picker goes through a lot of action, a lot of abuse. I really like the transport system on the rock picker. You all you have to do is pull one pin and you can transport it right into going down the highway or down the field and anything.
Rock pickers get abused. It's a tough job. And we will pick rocks so big that they'll hardly go into the tub. And that hydraulic will pull them in there. It's amazing how it works. They're impressive machines. They've never had to change them much because they work good out of the box, and been a great reliable machine for Western Canada.
The one we have currently is a 6000, and it's I think it's just 2 years old now. The one before that was a 6000 also, and I think we ran it for 12 years. Stood up very well. Never had a problem with hydraulic motor. Replaceable teeth. The one that we traded, it's still working.